Hi everybody, That One Andrew here, and welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we have Tony Hawk's Proskater 1 and 2 Collector's Edition for the PlayStation 4. Now if you don't know anything about Tony Hawk's Proskater, it's a game that released back in the 90s and was recently ported and remastered for the PlayStation 4, Xbox One, and maybe PC. I'm not sure about that one, but definitely the other two. It's a skateboarding game based off Tony Hawk, the famous skateboarder, and yeah, we're going to go ahead and unbox this Collector's Edition here. As you can see, there is a full-size board in here, which is kind of wild. And along with that, we have the game and then a piece of paper. So we'll go ahead and just start opening this. Now, this is already kind of open because I just filmed this 5 minutes ago, and I realized that my camera angle was all messed up. As any of you that have watched my other unboxings know, I don't usually do the whole camera setup like this, where I'm actually in the video showing you things. But this thing is just so big and so tall that there really wasn't any other way I could do this. So I filmed it. It wasn't good. Here we are again, doing it again. So the first thing you get is the game, which is important because you want to get the game when you buy a collector's edition of a video game. Tony Hawk's Proskater 1 and 2 on PS4. When you open it up, you got the game disc. And then if you bought the collector's edition, it has this little pamphlet for the digital deluxe edition. Who knows what's on that? If I had to guess, it's probably some skins, maybe some like power-ups, maybe a theme or two. I don't know. Nothing really important. But yeah, you get the game. It's 25 gigabytes, so not too big on your console hard drive. Yeah, and remember, this is the remaster of 1 and 2, so you're getting 2 games in one package. This was made by Vicarious Visions, the guys that did the Crash Bandicoot trilogy, Insane trilogy actually. So it kind of makes sense that they would do something like this, and makes sense that it would be very good because Crash was very good and the reviews for this have been very good. Now the other thing that you get with this collector's edition, it's pretty wild, is that you get a full-size skateboard. This is a real skateboard. It has the holes right over here for if you so wish to put on wheels. I will not be doing that. I will find a way to display it. On the front, or on the top I guess, it says Birdhouse, and then on the back has this really neat design. I have no idea what this is. I'm sure someone is like, oh, that's obviously, you know, blah, 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 blah. Maybe it's a bird. You know what? It's a bird. So you see you got the claws right there, and you got the beak, and then you got the eyes. Yeah, so I just noticed that it's a bird, and I've seen this thing like 20,000 times, either online or sitting in my mail. So yeah, that's kind of cool. It's a bird. And then at the top, we also have Tony Hawk's printed signature. He did not hand sign all these. Interesting enough, made in Mexico. Sorry, China, you don't get this one. Yeah, that's it. That's all that comes in this collector's edition. The game itself is $40. To get the collector's edition, it was $99. So you're paying about $60 for a skateboard. If you're a big skater fan or a big Tony Hawk fan, I kind of recommend it. It's really cool to have this piece of memorabilia, this nice collector's item for the Tony Hawk games. We don't get many good skating games anymore. We don't get many skating games at all actually anymore unless they're smaller indie ones. So it's nice to see Activision make a good one because the last couple Tony Hawk games have not been good. So yeah, that's about it. There's not much more to talk about. Yeah, you get the skateboard, you get this. If you've never heard of Tony Hawk and you just clicked this video because it looked like an interesting video game unboxing, I highly recommend, please, 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 go onto YouTube, look up Tony Hawk 1999, 2000, watch him at the X Games. He is amazing. He's one of the best skaters in the world, and you'll understand why so many people, A, play these games and love these games after seeing Tony Hawk. Also, go follow him on Twitter or something. He's just a well-rounded, awesome dude. He does this thing where people will always be like, hey, you kind of look like Tony Hawk, and you'd be like, oh, really? Interesting. That's crazy. So it's really fun and good time. Anyways, thanks for watching this quick unboxing. Not too much things to show. There's the box. There's this Tony Hawk. Go play it. Thank you for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe. We just passed 100. Super hyped about that. Thank you so much. Give this video a like if you like the video. Yeah, check out the Discord. Check out the other things. I don't really know what else to say. The video's over. You saw it. It's unboxed. It's reboxed now. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.